Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to replace the windscreen wipers on the car. Never seen, even never heard of this brand, this Oximo. We'll see how is it. It's nice and warm in the garage, so that's why there are funky angles during the video recording. Let's roll.
And you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Come on.
Okay, boys and girls, so that was it about replacing the old windscreen wipers. One very important point to mention: when you remove the old windscreen wiper, make sure that you don't release it by accident, because the metal will smash your windscreen, so be very careful with it. Other than that, it was simple as this. You can do it like in a minute, both windscreen wipers. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.